Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 25. 고마워요, which means thank you in Korean. The word 고마워요 is another way of saying thank you, but this is considered less formal than 고맙습니다 or 감사합니다. So far, we have 6 terms for thank you in Korean. 감사해요 and 고마워요 are considered standard and polite way of saying thank you. 고마워 and 고맙다 are considered informal way of saying thank you, while 감사합니다 and 고맙습니다 are considered formal ways of saying thank you. Therefore, for the corporate setting or when addressing the authority, it is more likely appropriate to use 감사합니다 or 고맙습니다. When we are talking to our friends or to people that are younger than us, we can use 고마워 or 고맙다. When we are talking to close people that are older than us, we can use 감사해요 or 고마워요. And with that, you've just learned 고마워요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 15 to 24. But don't forget our word for today, word number 25, 고마워요, which means thank you. Word number 24 is Chingu, which means friend. Word number 23 is 그만해, which means stop it or enough. Word number 22 is 좋다, which means good or great. Word number 21 is 감사해요, which means thank you. Word number 20 is 고맙습니다. This is another way of saying thank you, but this is a formal way of saying thank you. Word number 19 is 고맙다, which means thank you in an informal manner. Word number 18 is 잘했어, which means stay well. Word number 17 is Jalga, which means go well. Word number 16 is Juseyo, which means please or please give me. Last for our review, word number 15, 맥주, which means beer. Congrats! Up next on Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 잠깐만. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.